Electric vehicles are no longer a future discussion in the MENA region. They are here, and they are scaling faster than many expected. But the real disruption will not happen in the showroom. It will happen in the workshop. As EV volumes increase, traditional after-sales models are under pressure. Technician skills, workshop safety, and customer communications were built for ICE vehicles, not software-driven, high-voltage platforms. In our latest AMENA article, we break down what EV growth really means for dealers and importers. We examine the real economics of EV after-sales, highlight the gaps holding networks back, and explain why software, data, and customer experience are now the new battleground. Most importantly, we outline a clear 24-month roadmap to help automotive leaders build EV-ready after-sales operations that protect profitability, CSI, and customer trust. This is not about technology hype. It is about execution. Read the full article on the AMENA website and learn how we help automotive organizations prepare for the market that is already forming.